Hello everyone, I'm back with another super useful but simple and boring n8n automation. In this video, we will be creating chapters and descriptions of your YouTube video based on the transcript of your video. So this is really amazing and time saving, and the best part is it write really great description and create really accurate chapters. So let me give you some example. This is the YouTube video of mine which doesn't have any chapter and have this kind of description, right? And this is another YouTube video which have these chapters. So these chapters divide this video in here. So what I want is to automatically create this everything for me. So I have an n8n automation for that. So all I have to do is just go in my YouTube video, copy the link, and in here execute the workflow, paste in the YouTube video link, and submit. As you can see, it's already running and creating everything for us. Once it's completed, then we will see what it just created for us. So in here, as you can see, there were no chapters in this video, but once I will refresh it, so now as you can see that there are chapters in this exact video which are working properly. So this is really amazing and this is really time saving for me. By the way, if you haven't subscribed my YouTube channel, please go and subscribe. And if you want the blueprints of this automation, so you can comment the word chapters and I will send it straight to your DM. And in case if you want me to create this system for you, so you can DM me and I'll create the system for you. Meet you in another one. Till then, Daud Khan signing off.